Hey guys, just wanted to make a real quick video. I'm calling this the cheater wrench. I'm really glad I bought this. This is really a plumbing tool. Oh, well, hello, Miss Kitty. Um, this is really a plumbing tool designed for like under your faucet, or under your sink type things. But um, there's stuff around your house other than plumbing, like appliances and stuff, that have these larger nuts, like retaining something. And so here's a 25 millimeter combination wrench, right? This is about as large as you're going to have in a typical household shop, like typical tool set for a dude, right? Well, go price a 42 millimeter, you know, combination wrench. You're looking at anywhere from $40 to $60 on the low end, and that's not talking about no Snap-on or Mac tools or anything like that. So the other day I was changing out this fan clutch, right? So there you go. Kitty, why are you in the way? You don't fix mechanical things around here. So, that's a 36 millimeter. Well, you don't have a 36 millimeter readily available. And, we usually have a pipe wrench, but I mean, look at how thick that pipe wrench is. You know what I mean? Compared to how thin one of these adjustable wrenches are. So, I mean, this is not a great tool, okay? It's not a heavy duty tool, but in a pinch, for when you need that one time use, hey, kitty, that's enough. When you need that one time use kind of thing, you can attach a pipe to this. And I look at it this way: this cost me $8. $8, I'm willing to risk breaking an $8 tool to save myself $8 in fuel to go run out, buy a huge wrench for retail price to do that one task I need it to do. You know what I mean? So this may be a tool that really seldom or never gets used, but the one time you need it, I think it's worth the price. Now, they make other plumbers' wrenches like this that are thin, that have a much longer handle and are frankly much nicer and have like a similar range. But, you're looking at like a $30-$40 tool. So, for the price, these are so cheap. Yeah, they're not heavy duty. I mean, it's going to be easy to break these things, but when you're doing something like this on an appliance or plumbing or any sort of fastener that's not really rusted in place, I think you'll be able to break it free with something like this. So, $8 tool, just something to consider buying. I think it's kind of cheap insurance for getting into a tight spot. But I think its main advantage is really how thin it is, because, a big pipe wrench, you just can't get into a lot of places.